Hello everyone, welcome to Career Junction. I am Sriman, your career mentor, going to discuss 100 plus appointments in the month of April, May and June. So, without wasting time, let's start. And the first question is Mr. Arun Singhal, who is now appointed as CEO of FSSI. Next, Lieutenant General Manoj Pandey. Friends, Manoj Pandey is the new Commander-in-Chief of Andaman and Nicobar Command. Next is S.N. Rajeshwari. And friends, S.N. Rajeshwari is the CMD of Oriental Insurance. Next, Pradeep Kumar Tripathi. Friends, Pradeep Kumar Tripathi is the Secretary of Ministry of Steel. R.K. Chaturvedi. Friends, R.K. Chaturvedi is the Secretary of Department of Chemicals and Petrochemicals. Next, Gayatri Kumar. She is the India's next High Commissioner to UK. Next one, Uday Kotak. Friends, Uday Kotak is the President of CII. Next, Virendranath Datta. Friends, Virendranath Datta is the CMD of NFL, that is National Fertilizers Limited. Next one, Rajiv Topno. Rajiv Topno is the Senior Advisor at World Bank. Friends, if we talk about the headquarters of World Bank is Washington DC. Next one, friends, next one is Brajendra Navneet. Friends, Brajendra Navneet is the India's ambassador to WTO. Friends, WTO means World Trade Organization and its headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland. Next one, Ravish Kumar. Friends, Ravish Kumar is the India's next ambassador to Finland. Friends, if we talk about the capital of Finland is Helsinki. Next one, Rajiv Singh. Friends, Rajiv Singh is the chairman of DLF. Next one, Shambhu S. Kumaran. Friends, Shambhu S. Kumaran is the India's next envoy to Philippines. Friends, if we talk about the capital of Philippines, that is Manila. Next one, Prabhakar Raghavan. Friends, Prabhakar Raghavan is the head of Google Search. Next one, Monica Kapil Mehta. Friends, Monica Kapil Mehta is the India's ambassador to Switzerland. Next one is Imtazur Rahman. Friends, Imtazur Rahman is the CEO of UTI Mutual Funds. Next one, Devendra Kumar Singh. Friends, Devendra Kumar Singh is the director of SIDBI. The full form of SIDBI is Small Industrial Development Bank of India and its headquarters in Lucknow. Next one is Javed Iqbal Wani. Friends, Javed Iqbal Wani is the next High Court judge of Jammu Kashmir. Next, Santosh Jha. Friends, Santosh Jha is the ambassador of India to Belgium. If we talk about the capital of Belgium, it is in Brussels. Next one, Maya Nair. Friends, Maya Nair is the Director and Chief Information Security Officer at CRISIL Limited. Next one, Evariste Ndayishimiye. Friends, is the President of Burundi. Next one, friends, next one is Kaizat Barucha. Friends, Kaizat Barucha is the RBI Executive Director of HDFC Bank. Next one, Urjit Patel. Friends, you know him very well and he is the Chairman of National Institute of Public Finance and Policy, that is NIPFP, and he is also the Governor of RBI. Next one, friends, next one is Vikram Pawa. Friends, Vikram Pawa is the president of BMW. Next one, Jaydeep Nandi. Friends, Jaydeep Nandi is the MD of Bajaj Consumer Care. Next one, Colin Shah. Friends, Colin Shah is the chairman of Gems and Jewelry Export Promotion Council, that is GJEPC. Next, Sri T. Ravi Shankar. Friends, Ravi Shankar is the chairman of Indian Financial Technology and Allied Service. Next one, friends, Dr. N. Rajendran. Friends, Dr. N. Rajendran is the CEO of Indian Financial Technology and Allied Service. And next is Gaurav Maheshwari. Friends, Gaurav Maheshwari is the CFO of Standard Chartered Bank. Next, Winnie Mahajan. Friends, Winnie Mahajan is the female chief secretary of Punjab. Next one, Sanjay Mahajan. Friends, Sanjay Mahajan is the MD of Carrier Media India. Next one is Michael Martin. Friends, Michael Martin is the Prime Minister of Ireland. If you talk about the capital of Ireland is Dublin. Next one is Srikanth Vaidya. Friends, Srikanth Vaidya is the chairman of India Oil Corporation. Next, Deepak Mittal. Friends, Deepak Mittal is the India's next ambassador to Qatar. If you talk about the capital of Qatar is Doha. Next one, Piyush Srivastava. Friends, Piyush Srivastava is the India's next ambassador to Bahrain. Next, Deepak Kumar. Friends, Deepak Kumar is the Chief Risk Officer, that is CRO of RBL Bank. Next, Professor Shobhana Narasimham, that is S. Narasimham. Friends, he is the honorary member to the American Academy of Arts and Science. Next is Ramesh Babu. Ramesh Babu is the NTPC Director Operations. Next, PK Das. Friends, PK Das is the CMD of Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency, that is IREDA. Next one is Sriram Venkatramanan. Friends, Sriram Venkatramanan is the CFO of Flipkart Commerce. Next is Sanjay Kumar Jha. Sanjay Kumar Jha is the CMD of Midhani. Next is Krishnan Ramachandran. He is the MD and CEO of Max Rupa Health Insurance. Next, Kushal Roy. Friends, Kushal Roy is the head of retail banking of Standard Chartered Bank. Next is DPS Negi. Friends, DPS Negi is the Director General of Labour Bureau. Next is Tarun Bajaj. Tarun Bajaj is the Director of Central Board of Reserve Bank of India and Development of Economic Affairs Secretary. Next is Mustafa Al Kadhim. Friends, he is the Prime Minister of Iraq. If we talk about the capital of Iraq is Baghdad. Next is the Indu Shekhar Chaturvedi. Friends, Indu Shekhar Chaturvedi is the Secretary of Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Next is Manoj Ahuja. Friends, Manoj Ahuja is the CBSE chairperson. Next one is V. Vidyavati. Friends, V. Vidyavati is the Director General of Archaeological Survey of India. It is ASI. Next is Zubair Iqbal. Friends, Zubair Iqbal is the MD of Jammu Kashmir Bank. Next is Paramjit Kalon. Friends, Paramjit Kalon is the CEO of Liberty Steel. Next one is Kevin Mayer. Friends, Kevin Mayer is a well-known personality and he is the CEO of TikTok. Next is Dilip Omen. Friends, Dilip Omen is the President of Indian Steel Association. Next one is Harshavardhan. Friends, Harshavardhan is the Chairman of Executive Board of the World Health Organization and he is the Health Minister of India. Next one is Moeksi Mazaro. Friends, Moeksi Mazaro is the Lesotho's Prime Minister. Next one is Gobind Rajulu Chintala. Friends, he is the new Chairman of NABARD and he replaced Harshkumar Bhanwala. Next one is Janvi Fukan. Friends, Janvi Fukan is the new President of Tiki FLO. Next one is Carmen Reinhardt. Friends, Carmen Reinhardt is a World Bank Chief Economist and Vice President. Next one is Jean-Francois Van Boxmeer. Next is Friends, Jean-Francois Van Boxmeer. He is the Chairman of Vodafone. Next one is P. Kumaran. Friends, P. Kumaran is the India's High Commissioner to Singapore. Next one is Marcos Trujillo. Friends, Marcos Trujillo is the new Development Bank President. If you talk about Leo Puri, friends, Leo Puri is the Chairman of JP Morgan at South and Southeast Asia. That is JP Morgan Bank. Next one is Mohesh Palasikar. Friends, Mohesh Palasikar is the Chairman of GE Power India. Next is Jonathan Carr. Friends, Jonathan Carr is the CEO of Simon and Schuckers. Next one is Thierry Delaporte. Friends, Thierry Delaporte is the CEO and MD of Wipro. Next one is PR Jaishankar. Friends, PR Jaishankar is the MD of IIFCL. Next is Professor Sonazaria Means. Friends, she is the Vice Chancellor of Sidhu Kanhu Murmu University. Next one is Ashwini Bhatia. Friends, Ashwini Bhatia is the MD of State Bank of India. Next one is Krishnan S. He is the Executive Director of Canara Bank. Next one is Lakshminarayan D. Friends, Lakshminarayan D is the MD of Sundaram Housing Finance. Next is Justice Rajneesh Oswal. He is the Judge of High Court of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. Next is UB Pravin Rao. Friends, UB Pravin Rao is the Chairman of NASCOM. Next is Anurag Srivastava. Friends, Anurag Srivastava is the spokesperson of Ministry of External Affairs. Next is Mahaprasad Adhikari. Friends, Mahaprasad Adhikari is the Governor of Nepal Central Bank. Next is Parag Raja. Parag Raja is the Bharati Exal Life Insurance MD and CEO. Next one is Rishikesh T. Krishna. He is the IIM Bangalore's next director. Onamika Roy Rastrowat. He is the MD and CEO of IFO Tokyo Insurance. Next is Justice K. Kanagaraj. Friends, Justice K. Kanagaraj is the State Election Commissioner of Andhra Pradesh. Next one is MS Mahabaleshwar. Friends, he is the MD and CEO of Karnataka Bank. Next one is Ajay Mahajan. Friends, Ajay Mahajan is the Chief Executive of Care Rating Agency and he is also MD of Care Rating Agency. Next one is S. Vaidyanathan. Friends, S. Vaidyanathan is the Chief Risk Officer of Lakshmi Vilas Bank. Next one is Binit Arora. Binit Arora is the MD and CEO of Paytm General Insurance. Next is Kapil Dev Tripathi. Kapil Dev Tripathi is the Secretary to the President Ramnath Kovind. Next one is former Captain Smith. Friends, now he is the South Africa's Director of Cricket. Next one is N. Kamakodi. Friends, N. Kamakodi is the MD and CEO of City Union Bank. Next is Yuri Levine. Friends, Yuri Levine is the Independent Director of Infosys. Next one is David Lee. Friends, David Lee is the CEO of Hawaii, India. Next one is Justice Vishwanath Somedar. Justice Vishwanath Somedar is the Chief Justice of Meghalaya High Court. Next one is Shivdas Meena. Friends, Shivdas Meena is the CMD of Hudco. If we talk about Satyanarayan Gupta, Satyanarayan Gupta is the CFO of Jammu Kashmir Bank. Next, Rakesh Sharma is the IMMA President. Next one is Sanjay Kothari. Friends, Sanjay Kothari is the CBC, that is Central Vigilance Commissioner. Next one is T.S. Tirumurti. Friends, T.S. Tirumurti is the India's permanent representative to UN. Next one is Suresh N. Patel, that is S.N. Patil. Friends, who is formerly act as the Indian CEO of Andhra Bank, now is the Vigilance Commissioner. Next one is batsman J. Arun Kumar. J. Arun Kumar is the coach of USA Cricket Team. Next one is Rajiv Kumar. Friends, Rajiv Kumar is the PESB chief. Next is Nagendra Nath Sinha. Friends, Nagendra Nath Sinha is the Secretary of Rural Development. Friends, these are some important appointments in the month of April, May and June. Hope you guys are really enjoy this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.